Sautéed pork chops à la charcutiere is a classic of French bistro cuisine. The chops are pan-fried and are served with a nice brown tasty sauce. Added at the end, the pickled gherkins bring a touch of acidity that contrasts nicely with the sweetness of the meat. To make this great pan sauce dish, you will need Dijon mustard, finely chopped parsley, butter, vegetable oil, finely chopped tarragon, you may use fresh or dry, finely chopped onions, gherkins cut into julienne, quartered mushrooms, white wine, veal stock, cream, salt, pepper, pork chops. First thing first, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then preheat a large skillet on medium heat. Add half of the butter and let it melt along with the vegetable oil. I like to watch the butter melting. The butter is melting down, the casein and the buttermilk are separated into the oil. It's really cool. It's always a good idea to have two fat when you cook. By having a little bit of vegetable oil in the butter will help the butter to go to a higher temperature without burning. So that's something important. Obviously, you don't want to cook your meat or your food in burnt butter. I can start feeling the heat from the pan. The fat is running rapidly from one side to the other here. So that's an indication also that the fat's getting hot. Look at the fat here. So now the fat is sizzling a little bit. You can hear it start to get very hot. It's not golden or any color at all, but you can see and feel that it's hot. So then sear the chops. Season the chops with salt and pepper. Increase the heat to high and cook the chops for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden brown. Check the pan to make sure that the chops are not sticking to the pan and let them cook. After about 3.5 minutes, then flip the chops and cook them for the same time. On medium heat. Let's have a look at the pan. You can see the caramelization from the pan. Those brown bits will be deglazed later on, and this is what's going to give a nice flavor to your sauce. This is why they are called pan sauces, because the sauces are made in the pan after the meat or the protein been cooked. Transfer the chops to a tray and reserve the chops in your preheated oven. Degrease the fat. We don't have much fat, but we're going to degrease that. There we go. Then melt the remaining butter and add the finely chopped onions. And I put back the heat on medium. Add the mushrooms. And the finely chopped tarragon. So for the tarragon, if you are using dry, use about a good teaspoon of dry tarragon. If fresh, then a tablespoon of finely chopped fresh tarragon, without the stems, of course. Stir. Allow the mushrooms to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring once in a while. Then add the white wine to the pan, so deglaze, and the veal stock. Just stir. Stir well, and you see the caramelize here. This is from the meat. Just scrape it, and make sure you dissolve that into your juices. With your wooden spoon, scrape the bottom in order to dissolve all those bits of flavor here. Then, on high heat, bring the sauce to a boil. It's boiling, turn down the heat to medium and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then add the cream. Let's simmer the sauce with the cream for a few minutes or until it's coating the back of a spoon. I will show it to you in a few minutes. Let's read the sauce. To read the sauce is the action to look on the back of the spoon how thick the liquid is. So, with the back of the spoon, just plunge it into the sauce and you see it start to coat on the back of a spoon. So this action is called reading the sauce. Now, when we're going to put the Dijon, it's going to continue to thicken the liquid. So let's do that. Add the Dijon and the gherkins. Mix, and you can see the sauce is thickening. Mix well. And now, let's have a look again. Let's read again the sauce. It's much thicker, right? Good. So, let's grab the pork chops and keep the sauce on low heat. You have read the sauce, then you can taste the sauce. Oh gosh, it's good. Adjust the seasoning if necessary. For me, just a little bit of pepper. Be aware, Dijon mustard is seasoned already. Let's take the chops. On your tray you will have some juices. Add the juices to the pan. Good. And return the chops to the pan. There we go. With a clean spoon, coat the chops with the sauce. So because we added the juices, we have extended the sauce again. So we have to cook it maybe for 1 extra minute to 2 minutes, or until the sauce gets a little bit thicker again. My sauce is thick again. Then, as you can see, it's coating the back of my spoon pretty well. So, serve your pork chops immediately. I'll put the third one, here we go. Spoon the sauce over. Garnish with chopped parsley. Pork chop charcutiere. Bon appétit.